Yeah, good day, good day. Oh, my poro soup is ready. It's mixing. I'm mixing my poro soup. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna put it in boxes now. For my freezer. Gonna put it in the freezer. Yeah. Put everything in the box. The boxes. I'm alone, so yeah. So yeah. There we go. Good poro soup. Oh yeah, it's good for working when I go working. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. One. And another one. Yeah. Voila. Then you get another one. Get four. Four more freezers. That's good. A bit more here. Yeah. And the rest here. Voila. That's done. Get four poro soup. We'll put in my freezer. Very good. Very good. Yeah. You see, so I'm doing that. That's good for the winter time. Then I'm gonna put it up and then I'm gonna put it in my freezer. Eh? Yeah, yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you. It's fresh poro soup I have making today. Fresh. Very good, very good. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye.